Your amazing kidneys, tiny filters, big job. Our kidneys are incredible organs. They work hard to keep us healthy. Think of them as your body's tiny filters. Kidneys clean your blood. They remove waste products and extra water. This waste leaves your body as urine. Kidneys also help control your blood pressure. They make sure you have the right amount of important minerals. Taking care of your kidneys is super important. Healthy kidneys mean a healthier you. What could harm your kidneys? Several things can harm your kidneys. Knowing these threats can help you protect these vital organs. Eating too much salt and sugar is bad for your kidneys. High blood pressure and diabetes can damage them too. Not drinking enough water is also harmful. Dehydration makes it harder for your kidneys to filter waste. Some medicines can hurt your kidneys if taken too often. Always talk to your doctor about the medicines you take. Water is essential for your kidneys to function properly. It helps flush out waste products and prevents dehydration. Aim to drink plenty of water throughout the day. A good rule of thumb is 8 glasses a day, but listen to your body. Carry a water bottle with you as a reminder to stay hydrated. Choose water over sugary drinks like soda or juice. Remember, proper hydration is one of the simplest yet most effective ways to support your kidney health. A healthy diet plays a crucial role in maintaining kidney health. Choose foods that are kind to your kidneys. Eat plenty of fruits and vegetables. They are packed with vitamins and antioxidants. Limit processed foods, red meat, and fast food. Reduce your salt intake. Too much salt can raise blood pressure, which puts stress on your kidneys. Flavor your food with herbs and spices instead. Choose lean protein sources like fish, beans, and poultry. Limit your intake of red meat, which can be hard on your kidneys. Section 5. Get moving for kidney health. Regular exercise is beneficial not only for your overall health but also for your kidneys. Engaging in physical activities can help improve kidney function and reduce the risk of kidney disease. Staying active helps control blood pressure and weight, which are crucial factors in maintaining kidney health. High blood pressure and obesity are significant risk factors for kidney disease. Aim for at least 30 minutes of moderate intensity exercise most days of the week. This can include activities like brisk walking, jogging, or participating in a fitness class. Find activities you enjoy, like brisk walking, which can be done almost anywhere and requires no special equipment. Swimming is another excellent option, providing a full body workout that's easy on the joints. Cycling, whether on a trail or through the city, is also a great way to stay active. Exercise doesn't have to be strenuous. Even light activities such as stretching or gentle exercises at home can contribute to better kidney health. Even moderate activity can make a difference. Simple activities like walking your dog, playing frisbee with your family, or gardening can keep you moving and improve your overall well-being. Take the stairs instead of the elevator, which can add up to significant physical activity over time. Or go for a walk during your lunch break. These small changes can have a big impact on your kidney health. Remember, every little bit counts. Consistency is key, and even small amounts of regular exercise can lead to significant health benefits. By incorporating movement into your daily routine, you're taking a proactive step towards healthier kidneys. So get moving and make exercise a part of your lifestyle for better kidney health. Section 6. Kick the habit, save your kidneys. Smoking is extremely harmful to your kidneys. It damages blood vessels and reduces blood flow to these vital organs. If you smoke, quitting is the single best thing you can do for your kidney health. Talk to your doctor about ways to quit. Secondhand smoke is also dangerous. Avoid exposure to secondhand smoke as much as possible. By quitting smoking, you'll not only be protecting your kidneys but also improving your overall health significantly. Section 7. Regular checkups. Your key to early detection. Regular medical checkups are essential for maintaining kidney health, especially if you have risk factors like diabetes or high blood pressure. These checkups can help identify potential issues before they become serious problems. By catching any abnormalities early, you can take steps to manage your health more effectively. Your doctor can monitor your kidney function through simple blood and urine tests. These tests are quick and painless, yet they provide crucial information about how well your kidneys are working. Regular testing can help track changes over time, giving you and your doctor a clear picture of your kidney health. Early detection of any issues is crucial for effective treatment. The sooner a problem is identified, the more options you have for managing it. This can include lifestyle changes, medications, or other treatments that can help slow the progression of kidney disease. Don't hesitate to discuss any concerns you may have about your kidney health with your doctor. Open communication is key to getting the care you need. Your doctor can provide valuable advice and support, helping you make informed decisions about your health. They are there to help you stay healthy. Whether it's answering questions, providing reassurance, or offering treatment options, your healthcare team is your partner in maintaining your kidney health. Remember, prevention is always better than cure. By taking proactive steps now, you can avoid more serious health issues down the line. Regular checkups are a simple yet powerful tool in your health arsenal. Regular checkups are a small investment in your long-term health and well-being. They provide peace of mind and the opportunity to address any health concerns early on. Make regular checkups a priority and take control of your kidney health today. Section 8. Listen to your body. Early signs of kidney trouble. Your body often gives you warning signs when something is not right. These signs can be subtle and easy to overlook, but they are crucial for early detection of potential health issues. Paying attention to these signs can help you seek timely medical attention. Early intervention can make a significant difference in managing and treating kidney problems. Early signs of kidney problems can include changes in urination, such as increased frequency, urgency, or foamy urine. These changes might seem minor but can indicate underlying issues. Other signs include swelling in your legs, ankles, or feet. This swelling, known as edema, occurs because your kidneys are not removing excess fluid from your body effectively. If you experience persistent fatigue, loss of appetite, or itchy skin, it's essential to consult your doctor. These symptoms can be related to the buildup of toxins in your body due to impaired kidney function. These could be subtle signs of kidney issues. Keeping a journal of your symptoms can help you and your healthcare provider identify patterns, and make a more accurate diagnosis. Remember, early detection is key to preventing serious kidney problems. Regular checkups and screenings can catch issues before they become severe. Don't ignore your body's signals. Talk to your doctor if you notice anything unusual. Taking action early can lead to better health outcomes and peace of mind. Section 9. Take charge of your kidney health. Today, your kidneys work tirelessly to keep you healthy. By adopting kidney-friendly habits, you can protect these vital organs and enjoy a healthier life. Drink plenty of water, eat a balanced diet, exercise regularly, and avoid smoking. These simple changes can make a big difference. Remember, your kidneys are counting on you. Take charge of your kidney health today and enjoy a brighter, healthier future.